At the corner of West D and Hemlock Street in Iron Mountain, Michigan, you'll find something truly patriotic. This is a statue that was done by Potlicker. He is a wood carver from Rhinelander, Wisconsin. Now I'm just going to show you a little tour. The first thing that they would like you to do if you ever come here and visit is the mail call. They'd like you to sign their book. This is a bench that they had made. Absolutely awesome. Most of this work was done with all chainsaws. A lot of the rock and bushes that you see was all donated. This was a real tree at once. It died, and they had this monument transformed out of it. They have to treat it with an oil to keep it from drying out too much. Their son was an IED hunter. Came back not 100% injured, hurt. He lost many friends there. Also on the tree is the Patriot Guard Riders. I'm part of that organization. So is the parents of Don. There's an actual bayonet in the tree. In the front. I'm going to stay at the bottom here. We're going to work our way up. This bench they put in there, that's just absolutely awesome. I see it starting to split up the middle. It's going to happen over time. Sapper unit, that's where he was. That's who he was part of. 2007, 2008. And unfortunately, these are the dog tags of some soldiers that Don lost. Some of his friends. Also listed is Sergeant Volks. He was a soldier from Barago, Michigan that was killed. Freedom is not free. We know that's the truth, don't we? These boots, these were done with the chainsaw. I mean, everything on this tree was done with the chainsaw. This gun, that's part of the tree. This was all done while it was still connected to the tree. It's nothing was taken off and put back on. I mean, look right up here. It's all one piece. Strap, everything. I wish I had a ladder to get up on top to see better.